first started offering bookkeeping services, I thought I needed to have everything perfectly figured out before I could really help anyone. A full website, a polished brand, fancy onboarding systems, and years and years and years of experience, and maybe even a desk that wasn't my couch. Clearly, I've upgraded since then. But here's what I learned: you don't need to have it all figured out to help people. You just need to know more than they do about the thing that they're struggling with and be willing to show up and support them. Most of my early clients didn't care that I didn't have an official bookkeeping website, and they didn't ask about my long term business strategy. They needed a solution to their bookkeeping needs and just needed someone kind, competent, and dependable to provide that solution. And I could do that even if I was still figuring out how to price my services or fine tune my systems behind the scenes. What mattered more than anything was that I cared about their business. I listened and I followed through. That alone put me ahead of what they were already used to. And as I kept working with more clients, I figured things out just bit by bit. I got better, I got faster, I learned what I liked doing and what I didn't. But that confidence and clarity only came from actually doing the work and not waiting until I felt completely ready. So if you're sitting on the sidelines waiting for the perfect moment to start or the perfect systems or the perfect offer, I want to tell you right now that you do not need all of that. You can still help someone right now exactly where you are. And if you're looking for some practical ways to get started without having it all figured out, here's what helped me. Use a simple onboarding document. I made mine in Canva using an existing template that was already there. So it was just a quick PDF with a welcome message, what to expect, and how to send me documents. It's really nothing super fancy, but it really helps set the tone and make things feel a little more professional. Then pick one communication method and stick with it. For me, it's been email. I didn't overcomplicate it. I didn't want to overcomplicate it. And I told clients, if you ever need anything, just reply to this email. That one boundary saved me from chasing messages in 5 different places. Track your time from day one. Even if you're charging a flat rate like I do, keeping an eye on how long things take really helps you to just adjust your pricing and figure out what's working, what's not worth the time. And finally, don't be afraid to say, let me get back to you. You don't need all the answers in real time. Just be honest, do your research, and follow up. That alone can really build trust. So you don't have to be polished, you just have to be helpful. Start small, stay real, and learn as you go. That's how you really build a business that lasts.